What's up, YouTube? It's your boy WHOTUCKIS here, and I'm sitting in the passenger seat of my Kia Sorento. The reason why I'm sitting in the passenger seat because today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on this car. There's some mysterious smells, phantom smells.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
Don't know exactly what it is, but I did change the cabin air filter on my BMW, and that took away the smell. So, just leads me to believe that the cabin air filter on this is completely just going. It's probably caked up with a bunch of crap. So, what we got here, we got a TYC cabin air filter. I got it from Amazon. I will put the link down below if you don't want to do any research or searching yourself. So the link will be down there in the description. Also, I have Klima Cleaner, which is basically a cleaner. I'll put the link for that. I also got it from Amazon down below. Basically, with this Klima Cleaner, when you take the cabin air filter out, you want to look in there. There's a blower fan. It looks like it's a circle, has a bunch of fins in it. You want to spray this and the entire contents into where that blower motor is. Let it sit for 20 minutes, and then when you're done, you want to run the AC system and try to get all those smells out of it. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We have the cabin air filter that we're taking out. We're going to replace it, and then we're going to put a cleaner in there to try to get these smells out. So with nothing more to say, let's get to doing this. Also, famous YouTube stuff. Hit the thumbs, comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is free and it also helps me. It makes me want to keep making these videos. So, alright, nothing else to say. Let's get to doing it. Alright, so one of the first things you want to do is you want to open up your glove box. Like that. Take out your Kia Sorento owner manual Bible thing. There's two clips here. There's one here. You want to turn it clockwise and pull out. So that's the first one. The second one is on that side, and this one also is turned clockwise, so turn it towards the front, and then you pull it. There's also a little clip here, this guy, a little arm. The way you do it is you just kind of push, and then it should drop like that. Like I said, this is pretty straightforward, and to get this off, you're going to have to use two hands and then pull these tabs like that. Alright, so now you got the backing of the cabin air filter off. It's basically this guy, and the way you get it off, you squeeze them both like that, both sides, and pull towards you. Here's the cabin air filter now, and you just pull it out. And just like I thought, yeah, the cabin filter is bad. I think on all these cars are bad. My BMW is a lot worse. But alright, there's the cabin air filter. And if you do have Klima Clean, like I was saying, there are these fins right here. Alright, so here's a better shot of the blower fan. Basically, this is what you want to spray so that you can clean all the smells. Alright, so now it comes time to adding the cleaner. Basically, what you want to do is the nozzle with the tube on the end, you want to attach it and try to push that tube as far down into that blower motor as you can. So I don't know if you guys can see, but the tube is pushed in. The thing is, it is kind of tight back there, so you're gonna have to be patient and kind of like finesse that tube into those spaces of the blower motor. Just take your time, you will get it, and once it's there, you just spray the entire can in there and let it sit for 20 minutes. All right, so everything else is basically reverse order now. Those clips right there that you took out to get this glove box out are going to be kind of difficult to put back in. Just take your time, don't rush it. Yeah, you'll see. It sucks. Alright guys, so basically installation is reverse of removal. If you're just doing the cabin air filter and nothing else, you're not spraying any cleaners or anything, basically you can just start your car up, turn your fan on, drive, and do whatever you want. But if you put cleaner in your car, definitely follow the instructions. On the Klima Cleaner that I bought, it said spray it the entire contents of the can, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then when you're done with all the windows down, start the car up and run the AC on high for 1 whole minute to help dry the system. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. The instructions that come with the air filter are pretty much straightforward. I don't even think a video was absolutely necessary, but I learn from seeing sometimes. Sometimes just reading it isn't enough. So if this video helped you out, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I don't know, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.